Hi, I'm Ranjita from Data Semantics. In this video, we will be looking into Qlik Sense products. Qlik offers 4 different options for data visualizations with Qlik Sense. Qlik Sense is a self-service BI tool. First Qlik offering is a Qlik Sense desktop. Qlik Sense desktop gives individuals the power to create interactive data visualizations, reports and dashboards from multiple data sources. It is free for personal use and is run locally on Windows desktop. Our next Qlik offering is Qlik Sense Cloud Basic. It offers the same visual solutions as Qlik Sense Desktop, the difference being that Sense Cloud requires continuous internet connectivity and allows users to share fully interactive Sense apps with up to 5 individuals for free without the need for them to download Qlik Sense themselves. Next, we have Qlik Sense Cloud Business. This delivers visual analytics in the cloud for creation, management, and sharing, whether it is for small business groups or work groups within the enterprise. This enables users to share with unlimited number of other users for a monthly fee of $15. This also includes various Qlik data market packages, which includes third-party currencies, weather, social, and economic data to further enhance analysis. All applications work on any device, including mobile devices, with responsive design nature. Last but not the least, we have Qlik Sense Enterprise. This is the enterprise-ready client-server version of Qlik Sense. This is recommended for larger organizations. All the applications will be centrally located on the server, which is responsible for security and governance. Your authenticated business users will have the access to the server through a web browser, and depending on their authorization levels, they'll be allowed to see and use certain applications. So these are our 4 Qlik offerings for Qlik Sense. Thanks for watching the video.